Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the diary and committing to the first 3 priorities for today. Pick one format, daily, weekly, or hybrid, and write the date. Once done, assign one time block to each priority so you create real windows for work instead of vague intentions. Make sure to add a 10-minute morning review slot at the top to set context and energy. This anchors your day and prevents reactivity. From here, you move straight into scheduling tasks within those blocks. You now break priorities into actionable tasks sized for realistic focus, 20 to 90 minutes, then write them under each time block. Once a task starts, mark a checkbox and update a simple progress column with 0-100% so you see momentum. This makes follow-through measurable. Make quick notes of interruptions or decisions to capture context without derailing work. Once a task finishes, log outcome and next step so that your diary becomes a forward-moving system. You finish each day with a brief 10-minute review. Migrate unfinished items to the next feasible time block, highlight one win, and note the one critical next step for tomorrow. Once done, reflect on what slowed you and adjust task size or time block length accordingly to prevent repeat friction. If you find tasks piling up, reassign only what fits the next day's core 3 priorities. Troubleshooting tip: if you keep getting blocked, cut the task in half and schedule just the first half.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.